Subscriber question number 8. Question yatinayo ndeye physics, particularly a special branch of physics called kinematics, which was developed by Sir Isaac Newton. Saka we have a velocity time graph, and we are told that the diagram is a velocity time graph of a particle. Part A of our question iri kuti, what was the acceleration of the particle between t is equal to x and t is equal to 21. Horizontal axis tine time in seconds. Vertical axis tine velocity in meters per second. Saka kana zvinzi t is equal to x, zviri kunzi from the point time is x to the point our time is 21. Question yati, what was the acceleration? There are two things about acceleration which we should appreciate from the onset. Fact number 1. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity over time. Saka we are going to elaborate on this formula of acceleration, but this is the formula definition of acceleration. The second definition of acceleration, which is more mathematical, acceleration is the gradient of a velocity time graph. Acceleration is the gradient of a velocity time graph. Saka we are going to use this second definition. We can also use the first definition to find the answer to part A. Sangatitangei the second definition inotiyo acceleration is the gradient of a velocity time graph. Saka in answering A, we can specify kuti acceleration is equal to gradient of the velocity time graph. Tovatati, the gradient between t is equals to x and t is equal to 21 is 0. Therefore, the acceleration is equal to 0 meters per second squared. This is going to be the answer. Some might ask, our acceleration is 0 meters per second. This is the region from this point up until this point. That is where t is equals to x and t is equals to 21. But we already know that the gradient of a horizontal line is 0. The gradient of a horizontal line is 0. So since this line is horizontal, it means the acceleration is going to be 0 meters per second squared. But we can actually use this definition of acceleration being a change in velocity a unit time, or rather change in velocity over time. Saka tinenge takuti isusu, this was our method number 1. Let us use method number 2. Saka pa method number 2, still answering A, tirikuti isusu acceleration is equal to change in velocity over time. Let us elaborate with the change in velocity over time chimborichi. The change in velocity, actually it is final velocity minus initial velocity over time. Final velocity minus initial velocity over time. Ngatichidzokerai back to this diagram. We need to find out good final velocity and initial velocity chi. As we can see, the movement of this particle, it is from the left to the right, because it would tanga from 0 seconds increasing to 30 seconds. This part should give us our initial velocity, and the initial velocity tikatarisa on our vertical axis. The initial velocity, it's 80 meters per second. Then since tiri kubva pax tichienda pa21, this should give us our final velocity fv, and the final velocity again is going to be 80 meters per second. Then what is the time? Kureva kuti kubva pax kuenda pa21, what is going to be the time? The time is going to be 21 minus x, the difference, which is making up this part. Sanga tidzokere kuno tinoita fill in our formula of calculating acceleration. Saka taona kuti final velocity it's 80, initial velocity it's also 80, and our time is 21 minus x. 80 minus 80 it's 0, dividing 21 minus x, kureva equal to our answer is going to be 0 meters per second squared. That is going to be our acceleration. Saka either you're going to use the mathematical definition of acceleration, inoti iyo acceleration is equal to the gradient of a velocity time graph, or we are going to use the formula definition and out the physics definition of acceleration, inoti iyo the acceleration it's actually the change in velocity divided by time, or final velocity minus initial velocity over time. Kune vari ku A level, this will be dv dt, and this is differentiation or the derivative of velocity with respect to time. This will honor Newton. Newton is also accredited as the father, the developer, the creator, if I may, of calculus, of differentiation and integration. Saka tapedza A of our question. Kana une pausina kunzwisisa kana pakuconfuse, please utilize the comment section and I will address that particular grievance. But tichiri pa question yedu, let us go to B. B rikuti describe the movement of the particle in the first 5 seconds. Saka we should know kuti first 5 seconds ndeipi yacho. Since first 5 seconds tiri kubva pa 0 tichienda pa 5, it means movement yatoda kudescribe kubva panapa chichiuya panapa. Saka since question yedu yati describe, questions anouya kuphysics and away kumaths mostly, what are the keywords kana kuti mawords ari kutsvagwa naexaminer? Chekutanga, you should notice that pari kuitika in our answer, that is B, yatova answer yedu, unofanirwa kuitika deceleration. Pari kuitika deceleration. Kana wakasati deceleration, unofanirwa kuti negative acceleration. Negative acceleration. Ndochekutanga, you should indicate kuti uri kuona pari kuitika deceleration or negative acceleration. Why tati negative acceleration? You can see kuti this part of our graph is negatively sloped, kana kuti downwardly sloping, downward sloping. Saka since iri downward sloping, the gradient is going to be negative. And remember, in our part A, tataura chiti acceleration is given by the gradient of a velocity time graph. This means that pari kuitika negative acceleration since the gradient is negative. Then the second thing you should know is the deceleration or negative acceleration is actually uniform. Saka pane uniform deceleration. Uniform deceleration. So these are the facts you should put across, or the facts you should prove that you understand. But how exactly are we going to present our answer? Saka answer yedu inenge iri unongoti particle kana the particle is decelerating Kana usingadi kuti decelerating, unogona kuti negatively accelerating uniformly. Kana kuti unogona kunyora wakati, saka this is the first option. Option 1. Unogona kunyora wakati particle has uniform deceleration. Uniform deceleration. Unenge watopedza. This is enough for 1 mark yakaratidzwa panapa. This 1 mark. What is important kuudza examiner kana kuti kuratidza kana kuti kuindicata kuti uri kuona kuti pane deceleration, but deceleration yacho iri uniform. Saka taexplaina une mhaka yatati pane deceleration kana kuti negative acceleration. Why tiri kuti the deceleration is uniform? Tiri kuti it's uniform because this is a straight line. And we know from our mathematics kuti the gradient of a straight line is uniform. It's the same, constant. The gradient of a straight line is constant. Kureva kuti deceleration iri kuitika panapa iri constant. And because it's constant, we say it's uniform. You can actually say the particle has a constant deceleration. That will also be considered correct. Question C iri synced. Kana kuti inopindirana, ine hochekoche, ine sungawirirano ne question B. Question B yanga ichida kuti tiite describe the movement of the particle. But question C yakuti tiite find or calculate the acceleration of the particle during the first 5 seconds. So again, from 0 to 5 in the first 5 seconds, kureva kuti we are interested with this part of the graph. That is the part of the graph we are interested in. Chiri apa, we have 2 options. Option number 1, kushandisa the formula definition of acceleration. Kana kuti definition ya acceleration ku physics. Inoti acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. Kana kuti acceleration, it's equal to change in velocity over time. Our option number 2, kushandisa the mathematical definition of acceleration. Inoti the acceleration is the gradient of the velocity time graph. Saka this question is tricky. In part B ndatsanangura inini kuti there's a relationship between deceleration and acceleration. Deceleration is equal to negative acceleration. And because this is downward sloping, kana kuti it's a negative gradient, zvoreva kuti answer yedu yatofunga kuwana inofanirwa kuva a negative. That negative sign haizi kureva kuti acceleration, which is a factor of speed, because velocity and speed is just the same thing. Hazvireve kuti tine a negative speed. This minus iri kungotiudza kuti tiri kureduce speed. And this is the understanding I want you to have. Hasi kureva kuti tine a negative speed, but tiri kureduce speed. And iri kureducewa speed, iri kureducewa relative to time. That's why chizova acceleration, not speed. So I don't want to confuse you with the philosophy or the philosophical understanding of this natural science of physics. Let us just go to our workings. Method number 1, toda kushandisa the formula. Method number 1, tichati isusu acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity over time. Zvachaita panapa. Saka takudzokera uku kunotsvaga kuti final velocity imbori chii, initial velocity imbori chii, uye time imbori chii. Touya to substitute into our formula. Tiri panapa, let us use a different color. Saka since tiri kubva from 0 to 5, zvoreva kuti the movement of the particle is from the left to right. So this is going to be our initial velocity. and our initial velocity evidently it's 60 meters per second sezvatiri kuona apa. Then since it's 5 seconds, first 5 seconds iri kugumira panapa, and here our final velocity, so this is initial velocity, final velocity it's 30 meters per second, and obviously 5 minus 0 our time is 5 seconds. That holds out first 5 seconds. Saka our final velocity is 30, initial velocity 60, and time it's 5. Kureva kuti tiri panapa, final velocity 30 meters per second minus initial velocity 60 dividing time, which is 5. What is 30 minus 60? It's minus 30 divided by 5. Then 5 into minus 30, it's minus 6. And since area acceleration, it's meters per second squared. And formula yedu yatotiratidza kana kuti yatotipa answer iri negative. So zvirongoreva panapa ndezvekuti you don't have to stress yourself with the philosophical understanding of physics kuti uzive kuti ndichavangowana answer yangu iri negative nepamusana pekuti graph rakamira so. Just follow the formula. A strict adherence to the formula inotongokupa a negative answer. So that is going to be our method number 1. Let us go to method number 2, where we are interested with the velocity of things. Saka satichaita panapa ndezvekuti tichagadzira 2 points. Tinogona hedu kuita M2 panapa for convenience sake. Taita M2 panapa zvinhu zvakanaka. Sorry, we need white acceleration. This is also B. It's C, I'm sorry. Acceleration, it's equal to the gradient, which is actually change in Y over change in X. Then further defining what change in Y and change in X is, from go to Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. Satakuda ma coordinates. Pa point E, ma coordinates edu anenge ari chi. Remember, kana tichikota ma coordinates notanga ne the X axis tozoenda ku Y axis. Saka pa this point X axis ndi 0, Y axis ndi 60. Then pa this point takuda ma coordinates at this point, X axis ndi 5, Y axis ari 30. Then ino iyi ndo yata kuti x1 y1, iyi takuiti x2 y2. Takudzokera kunoku tiri kuti isusu y2 ndiani, y2 ndi 30 kapa, 30 minus y1 ndiani, y1 ndi 60 over, then x2 ndiani ndi 5 kapa, then x1 sorry ndiani ndi 0. Saka tadzokera ku minus 30 over 5 yangoti pa minus 6 meters per second squared. Saka even gradient tikaikalculate changoti pa negative answer, tikashandisa formula chawana futi negative answer. So let me restress, haufanirwe kunetsekana nekuziva physics strict kuti zive kuti answer yangu chava negative. Chingo follow formula kana kuti chingotsvaga gradient, answer yako ichangobuda iri negative. Asi deno vanga vati deceleration, calculate the deceleration, answer yanga yafanga kubuda iri positive. But ngatimbo siya izvozvo, let us stay true to course. Ngatianzei mibvunzo yafunzwa. Tava pa D. Saka D iri kuti calculate in terms of x the distance covered, then ine part 1 ne part 2. Satisataenda kure, we should know and appreciate kuti area under the velocity time graph is equal to the distance covered. A curious mind, a keen, a searching mind would want to understand why the area under the velocity time graph gives us the distance. To understand izvi zvakuda an understanding of calculus, knowing kuti integration gives us the area under the graph and the relationship between differentiation and integration, which is not our concern because this question is ordinary level focused. Saka let us not go there. Ungoziva as a fact that the area under a velocity time graph is equal to the distance. The first part of our question, iri kuti from t is equal to 5 kuroti kubva panapa kusvika pana t is equal to x. From t is equals to 5 to t is equals to x. Panapa. Saka, what is the area under the graph? This is the portion of the graph which is related to time being 5 until time is x. Without the area we are looking for, that is the area of the graph. So let us do part 1. Then part 1 tinogona kuita in two special ways, depending kuti uri kuona shape ipa. Kana uchitiona trapezium unongotsvaka the area of the trapezium. Asi kana usingaoni trapezium, I'm going to show you another method. It's method number 2 of answering part 1. You could divide the shapes edu into different shapes whose area we can easily calculate. Saka part 1 unogona kutonyorako kuti distance is equal to area under graph. Then the area yatiri kutsvaga, it's an area of a trapezium. What is the area or the formula of the area of a trapezium? It's half of a plus b multiplying the height. So tauda kuziva kuti a ndiani, b ndiani uye height ndiani, tinozwana pashape pedu. Saka tikutreata area yandashedha iyi as chi as area yatiri kutsvaga, and in doing so tiri kuda kuziva kuti a ndiani. Saka a anenge ari kubva panapa kusvika panapa ndo a uyu. So a ndi 30, a is equals to 30. Then b kwakuchibva panapa unobata apa, saka b ndi 80. Then our height kubva panapa unobata panapa, saka our height is going to be x minus 5. And at x minus 5 because height is difference iri panapa, saka tinongoti x minus 5. Zvatamboita panapa kana muchirangarira maquestions ekutanga patati 21 minus x. Checking into cognizance kuti question yedu yakati calculate in terms of x, that is why our height is x minus 5. So let us calculate it. Saka tati a wedu ndiye anogara zviya, a ndi 30, b ndi 80, then our height ndi x minus 5. Saka takusova zviri mumabrackets first, kureva kuti 80 plus 30, 8, 9, 10, 11, sandi 110 multiplying x minus 5. Then what is half of 110? 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 11, that will be 5 with the remainder of 1, and into 10, it's also 5. Saka here we have 55 x minus 5. We can leave it in this state. Whatever this is going to be our distance. Kana uchida kuisa ma units. Kana iri physics unofunga kuisa ma units all the time. Meters, because it's distance. Saka answer yedu ndi 55 bracket x minus 5. Kana ta calculate iri area of what? Of a trapezium. Saka this was our method 1. Ngatichidzokera kumusoro tiite method number 2. Ndi part 1. Method number 2 yedu inenge ichiti iyo distance is equals to area under graph hatichanyori. Sangatangire pekuti distance it's area A plus area B. I'm going to explain ndokureve. Saka panapa tiri kuti isusu hauna kuona kuti trapezium kana kuti you're not too sure kuti area yetrapezium inocalculate sei. So unogona kuita ndezvekuti uno divide shape yako into ma shapes auri familiar with. Saka iyi tichaiti area A itoiti area B. Saka area A, as you can see, this is a rectangle. Saka formula ya area A, it's length times width plus, then tikatarisa area B tikaona kuti it's a triangle, kureva kuti its formula it's actually half base times height. So what is the length? Length kubva panapa kapo kunobata apa, so length yedu ndeyani? X minus 5 multiplying the width kubva papoint kunobatai, saka width ndi 30, patati plus half of the base, saka base panapa kubva papoint kunobatai, saka base ndeyani? X minus 5, and our height kubva panapa kunobata apa, saka height yedu ndi 80 minus 30, which is what? 50. So ingatisiye yakadai, so iri 30 x minus 5, we are adding it to what? To half of 50 and 25, saka tiri kuadda to 25 x minus 5. Apa pakuchida masomo manje pakuchida masomo, but kana uchida kuunderstanda algebra mwana wamai, unofanirwa kugona kusimplify zvinhu mumusoro mako. Saka tizamei kusimplify zvinhu mumusoro medu. Tikati 3x plus 2x tinowana 5x. Zvamufanira kuti 3 bananas plus 2 bananas 5 bananas. Saka panapo tiri kuti 30 bracket x minus 5 plus 25 bracket x minus 5. Logically tofanirwa kuadda 30 na 25 kana tichishandisa this understanding. Saka 30 plus 25 bracket x minus 5. Asi kana usingadi kuconfuse, ngati factor out bracket redu iri x minus 5, kari factor out chasara tiina 30 plus 1 plus 25, kureva kuti answer yedu ichava 55 x minus 5. Saka either way uchawana the same answer. Acalculator achishandisa area of trapezium neacalculator achishandisa area ye rectangle plus triangle. But as you can see with area ye trapezium, it's straightforward and haizo require complication yekusolve panapa. Saka I advise you to learn how to use the area of a trapezium. Let us now slide to D part 2 to calculate say. D part 2 iri kuti calculate in terms of x the distance covered from t is equals to x, kureva kuti kubva pano kunobata papi where t is equals to 30 unobata panapa. Saka tikada kushedha area yatiri kutsvaga ndeishi, area rese. So tichashandisa futi kutsvaga tichishandisa area yetrapezium, tozoshandisa zvakare kutsvaga takadivhaidha maareas. Saka ngatitange nekutsvaga tichishandisa area yetrapezium. Ngatiti ndiyo method number 1, D part 2. Saka tichanyorera hedu kuti distance equals to area under graph. Takutongotangira pakuti distance is the area of a trapezium, which is half of chi a plus b multiplying an h. Saka the challenge now is defining a ndiani uye kuti b ndiani uye kuti h ndiani. Saka a kubva papoint chinobata papoint, kureva kuti a achava iye 21 minus x, because kubva papoint ichi chichidzoka papoint, so it's 21 minus x. This is a, then plus b achava b kwakuchibva papoint chinobata iyi, sandi 30 minus x. 30 minus x kwa height yedu ndiani? Height kubva panapa chinobata apa, the perpendicular height ndi 80. So maybe I should do something here because pangunosakwana apa, but let us go on. Saka tina half of, then 21 minus x plus 30 minus x. This is simply 21 minus x plus 30 minus x and multiplying 80. So let us continue from verse up. Saka panapa manje tikati half of 80 ndi 40 ka. Saka tasaura tina 40 nebracket iri tobva tati 21 plus 30. 21 plus 30 1 plus 0 ndi 1, 3 plus 2 ndi 5, saka 51. Then minus x ndi minus 2x. Saka ndo answer yedu inenge ingori 40 51 minus 2x. Calculate chance area of what? Of trapezium. Ngatichiendai kumethod number 2 toda kudivide this shape but tichaidivide nepanapa. Kureva iko kuti iyi ndiyo yava area A, iyi iri area B. Saka method number 2, distance iri equal to area A plus area B. Area A rectangle, area B triangle. Kureva kuti panapa length times width for area A plus half base times height for area B. For A, what is the length and what is the width? Saka length yedu manje it's 21 minus x and width yedu kubva pana unobata apa it's 80. Saka length that is going to be 21 minus x multiplying a width which is 80 plus what is half base times height. Saka the base panapa it's 30 minus 21 which is what? Which is 9. Then our height still remains 80. Saka half of base times height is half of 9 times 8 and half of 9 times 80. Alright, and so doubt it confuse nepanapa saka is not part of working edu. But toda tichengeta tizogona kukombea maanswers edu. Saka tiri panapa tavana 80 21 minus x tiri kuti plus half of 40 half of 80 and 40, sorry. Then takuda uzoti 40 times 9 ndiani. So panapa 9 times 0 ndi 0, then 9 times 4 9 18 27 36 is 360. So it's plus 360 panapa. Saka iyi ndio yatiri kuwana, but let us find a way of simplifying it until tasvika panapa kuona kuti answer yedu iri correct here in by any stretch. Saka tika expand bracket panapa, if we expand the bracket tiri kuti isusu 80 times 21. Saka apa ndi 0, 2 times 0 0, 2 times 8 ndi 16, 1 times 0 ndi 0, 1 times 8 ndi 8. Saka 0 8 6 1. Kureva kuti tina 1680 minus 80x plus 360. Then tiri panapa, if we add 1680 plus 360 takuzi add up kuraf paper kwedu remember 0 plus 0 ndi 0, 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 7 panapa 8 9 10, then apo iveta 2 kureva kuti tana 2040 and minus 80x 2040 minus 80x. Ngati buditsei 40 sezvakaitika panapa. Tikaita factor out 40 anopinda kangani muna 2040. 40 anopinda kangani muna 2040. Saka 2040 kaidivide na 40 tocheka panapa. 4 into 4 ndi 1, 4 into 20 ndi 5 and 4 into 4 ndi 1. Kureva kuti panapa panenge paina 51 minus 2x. Wow. Yeah, you should subscribe. We are really doing some things here. Tamukona kufanana kwa zakaida. zvoreva kuti manzazi edu ari correct. Saka again ashandisa area yetrapezium anosvika paThe simplest answer quicker than munhu anenge ashandisa area yekumbodivhaidha. Saka ngatingoonai trapezium tingoishandisa area yayo. Handiti, before we continue, I have a confession to make. Part D ndatomborowa neconfusion nyaya yekuti patinozokutumirai mavhidhiyo yatinge tamaita edit pandatombostika for 15 minutes chifungwa ndakanganisa here ndadii, but I was happy kuti yazobuda. So tava part E iri kuti iyo, given that the distance covered from t is equals to 5 to t is equals to 30 is 1 point, it's actually, yeah, question iri kuti it's 1.395 kilometers. Question over yati find to the nearest second the value of x. So because ndarabha zvoreva kuti I should do something here, but ndoda kungoita ndakanyarara zvangu, ndoda kuona kuti mamuchiteerera here. I encourage you to work along. Saka zvanzi from t is equals to 5 kusvika pachi t is equals to 30. Ngatingoita itese. Let me spoon food you. Kwa spoon food you. Alright. Saka area ishi tikuda area rino here. Saka tikacalculata area iri ndo riri kunzi is 1.395 kilometers. Zvanzi find the nearest second the value of x. What is going to be the value of x? Kuti tiwane the value of x very tricky, but let us do it. Part D yati calculate in terms of x the distance covered from t is equals to 5 to t is equals to x zvikazonzi from t is equals to x to t is equals to 30. Kureva kuti tagurirwa shape yedu nepanapa. T is equals to 5 to t is equals to x ndeapapa, then t is equals to x to t is equals to 30 ndeapa. Saka tofanira kuedda this zvatawana panapa toedda zvatawana apa, then tazoedda tozozviequata to 1.395 kilometers. So regai tidzokorodze D, but ndinenge ndakanyarara, iwe itawo tione kuti wanzwisisa here. From t is equals to 5 to t is equals to x. Saka ndapedza kucalculate distance from t is equals to 5 to t is equals to x. Let me calculate imweyo. Pedza zvakare calculate the second area. Saka ngatichidzokerai kunoku. Tanzi distance yacho it's 1.395 kilometers. Saka tofanira kuiconverta to meters. Since velocity yedu iri in meters per second. So how do we do that? Converting from meters to kilometers. How many meters in a kilometer? 1,000. Toda kubva from kilometer back to meter. Saka how do we do it panapa? Kune methods akawandisa pandoda ngodemonstrata mashoma. So metro atinoita ndeyekuti let us say kuti tine 1 kilometer. Kuti tiise kuma meters we multiply by 1,000 handiti kuti 1,000 meters. Kureva iko kuti converting from kilometers to meters we multiply by 1,000. Saka we are going to say 1.395 times 1,000. 1 times 5, 1 times 9, 1 times 3, 1 times 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Kureva kuti it's 1,395 meters. Students of physics, you know kuti a kilo means times 10 to the power 3. Kureva kuti 1.395 kilometers wachizongoichinja yova 1.395 or replace a kilo na 10 to the power 3 meters, which is the same as multiplying by 1,000. Waizongova ishi. So zvatakuita pano manje ndezvekuti we are going to add my distances I. Distance E ne ishi. So fangova equal to 1,395. Dobani tricky yacho, but since it's ordinary level, vatichipisira, you see? Because vatifunza zvinhu pa D zvinotibatsira kuwana answer yepa E. Saka 55 bracket x minus 5. 55 bracket x minus 5 plus 40 bracket 51 minus 2x is equal to 1,395. But runs to the nearest second, zvinongoreva to the nearest whole number. So tika expanda ma brackets panapa, we have 55x minus 55 times 5 indian, then 25, 26, 27 minus 275 plus what is 40 times 51? 0, 5 times 0, 0, then 5 times 4, 20 panapa, 1 times 0 ndi 0, 1 times 4 ndi, saka ndi 2040. So 2040 minus 80x, it's equal to 1,395. Then collecting like terms, 55x minus 80x, just 80 minus 55 ka. Saka 6, 10 minus 5 ndi 5, saka 6, 7, 8, oh, the 2. So we have minus 25x from 55x minus 80x. Then minus 75 plus 2040. Tiri kungoti 2040 minus 275. Then panapa it's 8, 5. Then panapa to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, the 6. Kadai panapa the 7, 8, 9, 10. Got 2 minus 1 the 1. Saka panapa it's plus rather 1,765 is equals to 1,395. Then minus 25x yava equal to 1,395 minus 1,765. Yajamba equals, and remember change your arithmetic sign. So panapa we're just going to subtract that. 1,765 minus 1,395. 5 minus 5 is 0. Then panapa 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 is 7. Then 7 minus 4, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is 370. So minus 25x it's equal to minus 370. Then my negative signs will cancelana. 25x is equal to 370. So that would result in divide both sides na 25 x anenge ari chii. Saka we already know 25 anopinda kangani muna 37. inopinda ka1 of course achisiya remainder yechi 37 minus 25 567 3 minus 21 saka achisiya remainder ya12 po 25 anopinda kangani muna 120 anofanirwa kupinda muna 120 25 25 25 25 inopinda ka4 koma achisiya remainder yechi ye20 then obva paita decimal place then tobva tati 25 into 200 that will be 8 kureva kuti to 1 decimal place to nearest second and 15. So answer yedu panapa enzarinyore pano zvakanaka. Answer yedu ndi 15 seconds. I know kuti kokupedzisira kunanda kumhanya. I'm really sorry. But kana usina kunzwisisa I'm a free man. Unouya kucomment section toona kuti wonzwisisa sei. With this I thank you.